Templeview Capital is a nationwide private portfolio lender that offers flexible financing for residential real estate investors. Today, we will go over a specific investment type known as the BRRRR method. The BRRRR method is a leading technique for real estate investors, allowing individuals to use one investment property to fund another. Investors can refinance their rental income, converting their equity into cash. A great benefit is being able to couple that equity with a loan financed by a private lender, such as Templeview Capital, and put that money back into the real estate market, repeating the process. Let's break down the acronym into its 5 basic components to better understand how the BRRRR process works. The B stands for buy. This process is meant for investors who are looking to buy a distressed property that requires repairs. It's important to calculate the after repair value, ARV, to see if the property you are looking to buy aligns with the value of other similar properties in the area. The first R stands for rehab. This involves the necessary renovations to a distressed property. Buyers are encouraged to first focus on repairs that will bring the unit or building up to code. Then, they should focus on renovations that will increase the property's ARV. The second R stands for rent. Once a lender has completed the rehab stage, it is time to rent out the property and find reliable tenants. The rental income will enable you to pay the mortgage, potentially at a month-over-month profit, and build equity that you will use in the next step, refinance. Setting the right rental price for the market and filling it with high-quality tenants is key to your success. The third R stands for refinance. This is the unique part of the BRRRR process because it allows investors to use the money they are earning from tenants to do a cash-out refinance. Investors can use the rent money from one property to purchase another distressed home. The final R stands for repeat, and this is exactly what the word suggests. Simply repeat the process above to buy more properties. If the BRRRR process is something that is of interest to you, please feel free to contact us at 844-919-1417.